Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keyboard on Capcut. To know how to fix or how to solve keyboard on Capcut, you should just go to settings. In the first you can go to apps and you can click on Capcut. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.